Actually, these acts na minention sa betrayal of public trust constitute various offenses, kahit violation ng revised penal code. Pero finokus namin sa betrayal of public trust because it is all-encompassing na. At para sa amin, yung pinaka mabilis na paraan na ma-resolve ang kaso. Kaya betrayal of public trust. But more than just the mere grounds. Alam nyo, para sa mamamayan, napakataas ng pagpapahalaga nila ng iyong pag-violate sa public trust. So, pwede naman kami magdagdag ng marami pa. Pero the betrayal of public trust, yun encompasses everything kasi merong tiwala ang publiko sa'yo, tinaksilan mo yon. And that is, for us, one of the highest, if not the highest, treachery ng isang public official. So that's why we chose it, for the reasons I just mentioned.
Okay, one last